Hello everyone, we'll get started in a few minutes. We'll get started in a few minutes. Yo, what up? Let's get liking up the stream. Like up the stream, everyone. Cool. Sorted? Yeah, we are sorted. Good afternoon, everyone. Hello. Pretty much done for the day, for the week. Fantastic pre-market. Sold my MGL too early like an idiot, but always doing that, selling too early, but you know, green is green. Can't go broke taking some profits. Good morning, guys. Good afternoon. Hello. Tuning in from the Bahamas. Let's go, Paul. MGRX. Can everyone see my screen? Is it working? Okay, cool. This MGRX. Yeah, it's up 8%. I would focus on where the resistance is. So around here, 4.4. Let's just put 4.5, right? Make that nice psychological level. I'll put it in blue because I like putting this blue as a psychological level. So closure above that, then yeah, you can look for entries. Nothing now. There's no point. It's just rejecting. Once we have more people in here, I'll just explain what the deal is to do on Fridays. I'd say it every day, but just for those who are new. Needs 0.45 break above. RR. I'm just going to go through some Twitter requests. I got to catch up on a few. RR. Yeah, nothing on RR. RR's whack. Needs 6.55. RR needs 0.6655. Break. MRIN Mirren. Mirren's right here. Gonna move this down to $2. Psychological level, just keep that on watch. If you're trying to look for entries, there are two ways you can enter this trade. You can either wait for VWAP or you can wait for the downtrend break. So keep that on watch. Downtrend break is what you want to watch. So Mirren, wait for downtrend break. So if you get downtrend break, then you can look for your entry. Don't try and get it now. Do not try and gamble. Someone's probably gonna ask, why have I gone through the wicks? Because technically you should be putting it like this, right? But I just do it where I go through some of the wicks because I'm getting the most touches just to identify and get a stronger area of resistance or support. So here, look, if you're putting it technically, like this is where you would have it. So you have 1 and 2 touches, but I've gone through here so we can indicate 1 touch, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? The more touches, the stronger area of support resistance. So that's why I do it like that, you know? So there's no wrong way. The wrong way to do it, the only wrong way to do it is if you're going through candles. You can't go through candles like this. This is incorrect. It's bad technical analysis. But you can go through the candle wicks. It's okay. It's not the end of the world. GDHG. Yeah, give me 1 sec. Let me just go through some of these. Guys, if you want to know any of my entry plays, it's all on every stock that I get in. I mention it in the Discord. On Twitter, I don't mention that what stock to get in, right? I post the stocks on Twitter that I expect the price to go up. Sometimes I say you can entry here and so on, but a lot of the times I do expect, right? Majority of the charts that I do post, I expect them to go up unless someone's asking for a chart request, then that's different. But a lot of times when I do post the charts, I expect them to go up. However, if I get into a trade and I enter it, I give the Discord, that is the priority. That is where we are giving the alerts. And I don't post when I'm in a trade on Twitter. So if I'm in a play on the Discord, it is not on Twitter for at least, unless it hits the first target, then I'll post it for people on Twitter. But Discord is the priority. So everyone in the Discord gets in way before Twitter. Just to clear a couple things up, because someone asked me earlier. I forgot to respond. GDHG or INM, nothing on this. Someone's just asked about it. It's bearish. INM, bearish. Tune in, GDHG, GDHG. What's everyone doing this weekend? We can also talk about stuff other than stocks. GDHG, currently the stock's bearish. Let me try and make this a falling wedge for you. I'll try and make this as bullish as I can for you. Let's see. I don't know anything about this stock, but see, normally you can do it like that, but I'm going to go through here to get this extra touch here, right? You can even go even more down there, but I just want to keep it clean like that. So this is the chart that I have for GDHG daily chart. Looks good though for a nice breakout. Setting up for a breakout. This is a larger time frame setup, so you need to wait on this. I need to charge my whoop. Anybody else wear a Whoop band here? The fitness band, fitness tracker. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm caught up on Twitter. Everything. Yeah, everything on Twitter. I'm caught up. Right, let's get to the questions here. Good morning, SOUN. Let's see. Let me sort this whole chart up. So SOUN, look, if we're zooming, okay, look, this is for everyone to understand a quick technical analysis. Look, go to a larger time frame, right? And do not have your chart like this. A lot of people are looking at a chart like this. I don't understand how. Don't be afraid to zoom out. Use the chart. Learn how to use it. Zoom out. Look, zoom out, okay? Then scroll up here like this and make the candles larger. Make it clear for you. If it's not clear, then you cannot trade properly, right? Now, zoom in. What do we notice, right? Everything. The resistance is right here. Look, 523. Why is this a resistance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rejections. This is a huge, huge area of resistance. So you are not trying to buy the stock now. You are not trying to buy the stock now. Do not try and enter, because why are you going to buy the stock that is rejecting what, how many, 10 times, right? You're fighting against the trend. You need the candle to close above here. Use the 5-minute time frame, daily, weekly, 20-minute, whatever you decide. You can choose, right? So here, you're waiting for the candle to close above like this, right? The candle needs to close above. This right here, right, is not a candle close. It's a rejection, rejection, rejection. Close above. The body needs to close above. So you need 523. Wait for that level. If it doesn't break above that, then do not touch it at all. Wait for 523 break above. You know? So that's it. I know you know that, Paul, but I'm just explaining to other people as well. Thanks for Huge. Appreciate it. Yeah, nice. Well done on Huge. Loads of people got in. I missed the trade. It was too quick. It ran right off as soon as I was busy charting and I wasn't trading on my phone. I missed it, sadly. I know people in Discord got in there. So look at low, just overall look at it, right? It's extremely bearish. These red candles is a huge sell-off. That's showing a huge indication of just leaving it. Stay away, stay far, far away. Maybe above 0.1761. That's where you can wait for your entry. So load, wait for 0.1761 break above, you know? Otherwise, nothing. Because you want to be fighting the trend. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4 rejections. It keeps rejecting there. Voozy, voozy, voozy. Voozy. Same thing with this. Zoom out of the chart. Zoom out and understand what is going on with the overall stock, right? You can see that it's obviously bearish, right? Strong, 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 strong downtrend. So identify the trend and wait for the trend to break. So go from here, the high, draw this like this and get the touches. 1, 2, 3, right? If you want to try and get more, you can. Make sure you're not going through the candles like this, right? So you can get an extra touch here like this. So now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So You need the candle to close above that. Now you can mark your psychological level. You use $1 as a psychological level. Focus on this. So it looks like $1 is a nice level. Maybe it could be good entries. I personally don't like buying on Fridays because there's news that could happen. Anything can happen over the weekends. You guys know the deal. But looks to be reversing off $1 psychological level, right? Does that make sense? So it was in a down, or it is in a downtrend, but this is the first sign of a possible reversal off a psychological level. Now maybe it will push and break. Your confirmation to enter is a close above, right? That is it. As easy as that. RKLB. RKLB. So now RKLB, same thing. I use the 4 hour just to get a clear trend because there's not really much volume on this. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I would use a larger time frame. I'm not really a fan of this chart. So look, same thing, similar to Son, right? Look here, what's happening? We're getting rejections around this 546. I'm gonna put it 545 just because psychological. But just do this now. Get a candle closure above 545, then you can look for your entries. That's what I would do. So RKLB, wait for closure above 545 break. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I buy huge at 0.16 and sell at 0.17. Whenever you enter a trade, you need to understand where is your target and where is your stop loss. That is it. Okay, don't try and hold for levels. That is not how you trade. Okay, if you want to be consistent, aim for consistent percentages. Don't aim for levels. That is not how you trade as a day trader, right? If you want to get consistency, you cannot predict what stock a price is going to go to, but you can aim for realistic targets. So if you enter whatever price you enter at, aim for a realistic target, 5%. That's it. If it goes more than 5%, you still have a little bit of your position, right? That's how you trade. Don't try and hold for 50% moves. You're not going to get a 50% move every day on a day trade. It's very difficult. How do you know where the resistance is? What's the time period you look at? See high. I use larger time frame, but there is a resistance on the 1 minute time frame, on the 5 minute, on the 10 minute, on the 15 minute, on the 30 minute. Every time frame there's a resistance. The 4 hour just gives you a good overall indication of the overall trend and major key levels. That's it. We have, if you go to our YouTube, you'll be able to watch the support and resistance videos we have there as well. Also in the Discord, there are the new seminars just come out there as well. So if you want to watch that, it's on episode 2 once you join the Discord. What up, Evie? What up? What up, Lux? CDT. Yeah, CDT is not my kind of play. I don't know. Let me see. I don't really like CDT. It's too much of a sell-off. I'm not interested in it. I'm going to leave it. I would just avoid it for now. MGOL. Here's MGOL. Hey, MGOL. MGOL. Congrats, team. Discord members are banking. Guys, there's serious, like, I'm not even exaggerating. Pre-market is absolutely insane in the pre-market. Seriously, we're absolutely crushing it. Like, profit gang. Profit gang. Let's go. Well done, guys. Yeah, perfect. Took a little bit longer than we expected. Obviously 5 a.m. candles, but still did it. Still did it. Damn, GG's. Why did this candle? It's got removed. Well, whatever. I got it though. Kaboom! $6. I literally gave this to you guys on Twitter. Right here at 4:33. Literally. I gave it here. It's up 33%. That's how you do it, baby. Let's go. Can you explain Moogle? Yeah, I just went over Moogle. Apps prediction right now. If anything above, I would use, instead of, look here, this is what I do. 297, right? Psychological level is $3. So wait for a break above $3 to look for your entry. Use the 5 minute time frame if you want. So that's all I would do. I sold this because I had to go to bed. Well, because I went to bed last night, but the alert that I gave ran nuts. I alerted at 2:39 yesterday, which was around here. It was around here, and then kaboom. What did it even run to from 2:39? Yeah, around 24% yesterday. Damn. So apps wait for $3. That's it. Apps wait for $3. That's it. So nothing unless $3 break. That's it. As simple as I can explain to you. Wait for $3. That's it. Otherwise, nothing. Predicts on caps. Yes, the Discord members are capped every month. Yes, correct. But if you go onto the WAP on my page, or Hassie's, you'll see that it's basically just if there are spots, you'll be able to join either 3 month or 1 month. That's how we do it. So there's limited spots. If people leave or something, then we will just kind of give you open more spots. I think there should be spots open though. There should be some spots. CTXR, look at this chart, right? What's happening? It's kind of messy, isn't it? We don't know what trend it is. Is it in an uptrend, downtrend, right? So what we can do is we can identify that it's probably in a downtrend. So like that. So for me, nothing on it. Right now it's bearish. Down 1% and then nothing. No volume, no volume. Big news today. Okay. I don't play for the news. I'll wait for the news and then I'll trade if it gives me volume. But I wouldn't be holding through news personally. But I hope it runs if you are in it. IOVA is getting rocked. So IOVA is getting rocked. Look at the same thing as what I just did on 2 charts and now I'll do it again. Remember SON, same thing. 975 is your resistance level. So if it breaks above 975, wait for that entry point. Otherwise, nothing. It's coming down quick. There's no point. Just let it bleed. I hope you're not in it right now because it's coming down quick. IOVA needs 975 break above. 975 break above. Thanks for the yes. Let's go, Fig. You guys got in. Yeah, I know a lot of people got in that. Well done. I didn't get in. I just busy starting this. No worries, Paul, bro. Can you do Getty? What's Getty? Getter? Ooh, Getty. Getty has no volume, bro. It's a difficult one. Let me see the daily. Yeah, this one. It's not a great chart. So look, same rules apply, any time frame. Same thing. Look here, your resistance is here, 385. You see how quick I saw that? Look, all this rejection. So for me, I don't know if there's any, well, there is news, I'm assuming right there, I see it. But if you're trying to look for a day trade, right? I'm assuming most of you are trying to day trade. Focus on the top gainers, right? It's this website here. I say it every single morning. This is all I do every single morning. I make my watch list through that page. That's it. My goal is 1 to 2 trades and I'm out. 1 to 2 trades. Nice. That's a good way though. 1 to 2 trades is good. I do 2 minimum at least and then 5 maximum. When stopped me out yesterday, the rascal. Wenner needs 135. Put 135 here. Psychological level. Wait for 135. Nothing unless 135 on WENA. Wait for 135. Break above. How is Kit holding up in your opinion? It's still in this. It's still a valid trade. If it holds like this into open, it should push up. It needs to hold like 265. Moogle gone. Yeah, Moogle 611 hits. Bang bang. Getty, Mr. Tiger, good morning. Good morning. Awazani, you have asked me one of the stupidest questions I have ever seen in my life. People ask me this on the daily. Please remove asking people that question, but I'm going to give you a very stupid response since you gave me a stupid question, all right? I'm not being rude to you. I'm just trying to teach you and giving you the logic behind your question. You have asked me what is the expected price of Moogle, right? So you've asked me that question and my answer is, if I knew the answer to that, if I knew what price Mughal will close today, or when it will, what the price it will close, or wherever it would run to, how high, how many percent, I would go to the bank. I would take out $1 gazillion, right? And I would take out a loan for that, and I would put it on that trade, right? And hold for that level, right? No one knows what price a stock is going to go to. Your grandmother, someone on Twitter, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, whoever. No one can tell you what price a stock is going to go to. So I tell everyone every day, I know maybe you're new to trading, but I'm just giving you a realistic answer. You need to start aiming for realistic targets. Do not aim for a price target. Do not aim for a stupid 50% move, right? You need to, I'm assuming most of you coming from Twitter and know that you are trying to become a day trader, I'm assuming, right? And that's what I take into account. You need to aim for realistic targets. So whatever price you buy a stock at, aim for a realistic target, 5%. Have a 5% stop loss, that's it. Cut your loss, move on, focus on the next play. But trying to hold an expected, I don't know the prices. I wish I knew which price the stock would go to. Trust me, if I knew what stock the price would go to, I would be in the Bahamas, I'd be on my plane, I would be flying around the world, right? It's impossible, brother. Trust me, trust me, trust me, trust me. So I'm not having to go at you, I'm just giving you the realistic answer. No one's going to tell you what price the stock will go to. If they know, let me know. I'll give them a lot of money to trade for me. I like playing NVDL. NVIDIA. Yeah, a lot of people playing NVIDIA. NVIDIA levels. These are NVIDIA levels here. Daily. Yeah, nothing really on NVIDIA. I don't know. It's just holding support right now. Getty, yeah. Good morning, kaboom. Hollow. People are still going on about this Hollow play. Hollow's nothing. It's extremely bearish. Just let this thing go. Let it bleed. Let it bleed. Let it bleed. Kit is in a falling wedge. I expect it to go, but make sure you have a stop loss. The SPY. The mighty SPY. Let's have a look. SPY's up above from where I mentioned. It's coming down, actually. SPY. Let's see. What is happening here? You have a new resistance here. 533.15. Closure above that, you could take some calls for the option gurus, but I know it's Friday, so maybe some lottos. I don't trade options though. SPY calls above 533.15. 533.15. Kit, Hollow, thanks, SPY. HYLN. You could enter if you want to on Kit. I'm not going to be entering. It's too close to open. But yeah, I like the setup. Just the volume's not really there. HYLN. Is this gas? Helium? I don't know. Is this oil play? It's trying to break out here. It's looking alright. It's good. Bullish chart. I just wouldn't be holding any swing trades overnight. HLN trying to break out. It looks nice though. It's a very bullish chart. I like it. It's a good chart. I don't know if it is oil or whatever it is. No worries, bro. Bahamas. Yeah, I mean it's hot as hell here right now. 0.51% day, still enough to. Yeah, exactly. I mean that's the thing. If you can make 1% on a $2 account, $1 million account, $100 account, it's all relative. IOVA, I just went over that one. IOVA need 975. Huge breaking up. Yeah, so Huge did this. Look, it's called a break and retest. Look, broke above this level here, became support, and now up. This is called a break and retest. Break above resistance, right? Now became support and up. So yeah, very nice on that one. I missed it. AQN. AQN. Oh, guys, also, I am off all of next week. The whole of next week, I am off. So you will not see me. I will be posting some like, I guess I'll post some lifestyle stuff. I'm doing like a little staycay thing for my birthday. My birthday is on Tuesday. But yeah, I'm gonna be just taking it. I haven't taken a break. I haven't taken a holiday in like 2 years, so I need to take a little break. So I'm gonna take a week off, but Hassie will be here. I mean, Discord members know that, but yeah, need to live my life just a little bit since it's summer. So the whole week I'll be off. I'll be popping in and out of the Discord, checking how things are going with everyone. But yeah, in terms of Twitter, I won't be sharing my charts. I have some educational stuff I'll post on Twitter for you guys, like some flashcards. But apart from that, I'm just going to be chilling. So yeah. Let's go, Fig, bro. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Everyone got in this thing. Damn, load of people got Moogle. AQN, Serve. Oh yeah, Serve. Let me check Serve out. How's Serve cooking? Serve, nothing. 1775. Save that and you'll be good. MYNZ. I don't know why people like this play. I don't see anything on it though, Jason, unfortunately, bro. From what I saw last time. Yeah, it's still very bearish. The chart's not great for me. Alright, bro, where's the Bahamas play? I'll try and do my best to give you guys on Twitter, but what happens is on Fridays, I just trade for an hour since it's already like the weekend here in Dubai. It's 4:48 p.m. So the market pretty much, I mean, it's like the weekend here. So I have other commitments during the night. So I just trade for an hour, live trade for an hour, and then I head out. KUL, downtrend. I was asking for your price target. My price target is whatever I enter, I aim for 3 to 5%, bro. That's what I do. 5% weekly is great. Exactly, you're right. That's right. Happy belated. Now my birthday's on Tuesday. Soon come. I had a nice hood yesterday. Nice. Hood was good. I heard hood was good this whole week. I heard hood was good all week. ZCMD. This one's a bit of a tough one because I thought this one was going to run this week. Or, I mean, like carry on this week, but it didn't really do too much. A little bit difficult right now. Maybe you could buy on here or break above 1.65 here like this. So look here, why is it 1.65? Look, you get one rejection, 2, 3, 4. So closure above here, your clean range to 175. So this is ZCMD. Wait for 1.65 break above. You know? So if you get that break above, then you're chilling. Then you're chilling. I missed huge at 12. Damn. Thanks, Lando, bro. Appreciate it, man. How does MKDW look? MKDW doesn't look too shabby. Okay, here. So look, what I suggest on Fridays, guys, because you all know what is Friday. It's the weekend, right? Most of the reason, right? The reason why there's a huge sell-off on Friday is because people are taking profits. Traders take profits. You guys all take profits. Everyone takes profits because anything can happen over the weekend. There's news. Anything can happen and affect the market, right? Especially with this whole recession talk, right? It's not really helping it, but I don't like to hold plays overnight. I rarely ever hold my plays overnight. So especially Fridays. That's why the best time to trade is pre-market, in my opinion, Fridays, and then the first hour, 2 hours max. Because then after that, it just sells off. You know, people just chilling. Yes, it is 0% capital gains in Dubai. Yes, 0% income tax, but 9% corporate tax if you have a business, which is still not bad. But ZCMD is ascending triangle. Why not get in now? On what? ZCMD? You could get in, yeah. You could get in if you want to. You are correct, yeah. You could get in if you want to. You could get in. Just right now, I don't know. Like these, see these dots like this? This is no volume, no volume, no volume. Like, but yeah, it's pushing for a breakout, yes. But in order for it to break out, it has to have volume. Friday Moogle squeeze. Yeah, Moogle looks like the top mover right now. So look here, this is how I chart Moogle. Look, go to fresh chart, 4 hour time frame, and then I just look left and identify the levels. So We have some here, 670 here. And then we can have this wick here. 768. Is this 768? Yeah. Or 760. Let's just do 765. Like this. And then, damn, this has crazy range. Yeah, so just these levels now I would focus. Oh, wait, shit. 770 here. These are your key levels for, what is this? Moogle. Moogle key levels. Let me just go through some of these Twitter requests and then I'll get back to you guys on Twitter. I mean on YouTube. My bad. OBLG. Let me have a look. OBLG. What's happening with this thing? Bearish. Like, this is terrible stock, guys. 17% and 3%. It's down 20% in 2 days. OBLG bearish. GameStop. How's GameStop looking? Had a good day yesterday, no? Ooh, nice. GameStop's heading nice. GameStop moving. Is moving. 4% yesterday. Wow. The bag holders are getting set free. Wheeler. What's happening with Wheeler? Wheeler, nothing. Needs to break above downtrend. Wheeler still bearish. Needs volume, to be honest. Guys, it's like on the stream. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Friday, weekend, party. Party on the weekend. Yo, Josh, bro, well done. 4% on account, 1%, 5%, 10%, 8%, 1%, 5%, 8%, 9%, 5%, 3%, 7%, 4%. Damn, pre-market guys are killing it in the Discord. Yup. Can you trade personally in Dubai without a company? Yeah, of course. You can trade by yourself. 9% is nothing. Thanks for the info. Yeah, I know. No worries, bro. No worries. A lot of people set up companies here, especially from the UK and stuff. I mean, all over anyway. Yeah, you can trade without a company. You don't need a company. I do have a company here. I have 2 companies here. Can you day trade? Yeah. Lumen. Let me check. Lumen. What happened to Lumen yesterday? This one got rocked. It got rocked yesterday. As long as this holds $5, you're fine. But this thing got absolutely rocked yesterday. Everyone just went, I'm selling this shit. But yeah, it needs to hold. This is what I have. Like, I don't know. It just needs to hold $5. I wouldn't be focusing on this play. You could maybe actually, to be fair. It's a mover, former runner and stuff. So, yeah. Son was a very, very good call yesterday from Hassie. I was eating when he alerted, so I didn't get in. But, yeah. Agri. Damn, Agri broke out. Did anyone take this when I posted it? Let me see. 4-hour time frame. Let's zoom out of the chart. Let's use the 4 hours so we can look here what's happening. We can wait for this break. This thing's 7 cents. Leave it alone, man. Leave it alone. 7 cent stock. Don't want to be trading this BS. Even if around 14% yesterday, it's 7 cents, guys. Is this thing going to get delisted or what? 7 cents is not a good sign. We have Agri needs 0.0745 break. Thank you, Laurie. I appreciate it. Thank you. Have a good weekend. Maxon. Guys, this thing's getting rocked. Leave the mighty Maxon alone. It's still dying. Look, I will even draw my prediction on this play to help everyone understand what I think will happen. Okay, you have this here, and then you have like this. So look, you understand? This is a bearish pennant. Look, downtrend, right? Then you go here to here to here, and then down. So look, this is my prediction. Like this, like this, like this, down. Like this, down. Does that make sense? It's not the cleanest, but You get the gist of what I'm trying to do here. So this is my Maxon prediction. Who knows though, Friday. The pumpers are out to town. You made profits on Moogle. Let's go. Thanks, Abdul, brother. Moogle. Mirren. Apps. Lumen. Sun. Damn, Huge is still going. Kit. Ooh, who's in Kit? Kit's moving. CDT moving. Yeah, I removed this off my watch list. Yeah, it looks good. I'd wait for closure above here. 0.2215. Maybe you could look for entries then. 0.2215. Closure above that, you look good. Like this here. 0.2215. Yeah, right here. It's looking good though. Right, you guys got any other questions? Anything else before I head out? For those who just joined, I won't be here next week. It is my birthday next week, so I will not be here. I will be taking the whole week off, but I'll be posting some educational stuff on Twitter to keep you guys interactive and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, I will not be here giving setups, unfortunately. Wait for 0.1225. Oh no, 2215. 0.2215. So that's your level. SPFM, not good, man. Leave this. CHPT, let me have a look. Anyone in this kit? CHPT. But guys, I'll give you a breakdown quickly before I leave. I will give you a breakdown quickly on something very valuable before I leave in terms of plays right now. CHPT, is this a larger cap stock? What is this? CHPT needs downtrend break. Ooh, drama. This is an old one. Damn, drama did break out of this falling wedge as well. Missed all these play setups that I had set up. Ooh, this is looking good. Anybody in this drama play? I actually like this setup. Damn. Never mind. No demand zone. But it has a falling wedge. Tell you that much for free. We'll go through while you're gone. We'll go through withdrawal. Yeah, everyone make sure you're withdrawing when you trade. It's very important. It's one thing I learned when I started to make profits is to just start taking money out. Take for your phone bill and that, and you get that. It's a good feeling. It's very rewarding. Trust me. What I do is when I trade, I just take my money out of my accounts when I need some, well, pay for my expenses. So I have I don't have a huge account. I have a few accounts, and then I just trade with them. And then I just basically kind of compound them in that way, and then just take money out, my profits or whatever. That is how I personally trade on my accounts. This needs volume. SXTC needs volume. Happy birthday. Thanks, guys. Yeah, Tuesday is my B-day. Tuesday. All right. Why am I not going on just one? Because I don't really need, because I like to have a big account. I have a small account. I just like to grow my accounts. I don't really need to have a huge account. So for me personally, I just, I don't know. I like to just trade with different accounts and grow them. Hi Tiger, why no demand zone? Which chart was it? I forgot. Let me know. We buy, yeah, it's running, but this is your resistance here. 1.17, you can wait for that. We buy, wait for 1.7. We buy, wait for 0.17. Break. Frazu, which one? Let me know. Let me know. It's so weird because this thing's so delayed. Mira. Yeah, Mira's still good. I like this. I'm going to be watching this for next week. Faux show. I like it. I like it. I like it. Mira. Big watch for next week. I like it. It's a very clean setup. This very clean. Any prediction here on huge? Where is huge? Is here. Oh, let me say something before I leave. Huge. Maybe this level here holds. Like this. Maybe this is your next leg. 0.245. There we go. Any prediction? I don't know. If it holds here, it should be good. Do we mark resistance lines or the wicks? Open, close, portion of candle. I like to use... I mean, if you're trying to do a resistance, right, your goal is to get the most amount of touches. So, for instance, like this, right, this is only one touch. So I would use this, the high of the close of the candle, because you get 1, 2, 3, right? That just indicates a strong area of resistance. So if it breaks a strong area, more likely it'll go up. But if you just break this level, right, you could have entered here. You know what I mean? So that's why, like, I would have this here. Same thing with this. Look. I'd have 1, 2, 3, 4 touches here. So that's why I have this like that. But I hope it makes sense. 2.7. Don't you guys have a... You need to have a stop loss. All right. Okay, guys. I'm going to head into the Discord. Before I go, let me just say something. Okay? Look, today is Friday and I say it every day. The easiest way to trade and the most money you will make is focusing on the high volume plays. The plays that are moving... and the top gainers. That is it. All of these plays here on the left are high probability setups. Okay, look, huge. This one is fantastic. Doesn't mean buy now. Wait for the setup. Wait for a pullback. Look for downtrend breaks and so on. Okay, Kit. This one is also looking good. It just needs to hold 265 as I mentioned. Right, Moogle, another one, or MGOL. This one's fantastic. I do like this setup. If it breaks above this resistance level here, you could look for your entry. Since 596 is a resistance, I personally would just move it to $6 because that's a psychological level. So what I would do is if a candle closes above $6, you could look for entries here and it'll probably continue up. Aim for 5%. Do not aim for 100% because you're going to be sleeping on the streets. So wait for $6 break. All right. Okay, guys, thank you again. As I mentioned before I go, I will not be here next week, okay? I am taking off the whole week, but I will be posting some stuff on Twitter. I'll post some lifestyle stuff because I know a lot of people do like that. But yeah, I really appreciate everyone on Twitter. Thank you again, Discord members. I'll see you guys in like 20 minutes. Hope you have a fantastic weekend, everyone, and make sure you finish green. Do not finish red on a Friday, all right? So, thanks again, guys. I will see you all next week. Or, sorry, in 2 weeks. Bye-bye.